Hello, my name is Finn Torst Jansen, and I would like to be a physicist. I have a few credits here and there in Copenhagen and University of Bergen. Not completed a bachelor yet, but nevertheless I would like to contribute to modern physics and talks around that, especially on YouTube, and I will call it Loose Talks About Physics. Actually, I'm looking at some that was a new and totally different way of thinking that came into to the world society at the beginning of the last century, at 1900s, about special relativity and light signals and causality, how you can reach, how fast one gets from relativity actually. There is this famous, I like the train analogy on things that move with respect to each other, and how physics is in how physics is the set of physical laws in each reference frame still is in effect and are real, and I'll show you what I mean. So here is my little diagram. Here's a loose talk about physics, about just some wheels on the street, and here's somebody throwing something up, let's say a ball, and he's outside the train, going up and throws the ball up in the air, up and back again. And inside the train, if somebody do the same thing, it will just go up and down again. But from the guy outside the train, seeing a man throw something up into the air and let it follow the gravity back again, this is what you get. The train moves this way, goes up and goes back again, like there, because the train has moved this distance while he threw the apple or the orange or whatever up into the air. So and this is actually a quite longer route to take than this one, but the man in the train would claim that's the curve for his apple or orange thrown up into the air. But the man outside the train, observing the train while it's moving on the street, would claim that this would be the true graph for the apple or orange thrown into the air. This is quite exciting, because this so that's relativity actually, quite simple. Somebody sees it different than you, but it's still there. Laws of physics in both frames, all of them.